He may be silent now, but when prostate cancer shows signs, it might already be too late. Did you know that 1 in 8 men will face this threat? And worse, many only discover it when the chances of a cure are already minimal. Don't let fear paralyze you. Understand the signs before it's too late. Your life may depend on it. 1 in 8 men will face prostate cancer. Did you know that 1 in 8 men will face prostate cancer at some point in their lives? This is the second deadliest type of cancer among men. And, even worse, it progresses silently, without clear signs, until it's too late. How to protect yourself before it's too late. Stay with me, because today I'm going to reveal the 8 most silent signs of this type of cancer, with the last one being the most common. Unfortunately, many men discover too late that they're facing this silent threat. This happens because, as a slow-developing disease, it's often detected only in advanced stages, when treatment options are more limited and the chances of a cure drop drastically. The good news: despite this, there is good news. This is one of the types of cancer where we can make a significant difference if we act quickly and with knowledge. Identifying the symptoms early and seeking proper medical attention can save lives. In fact, 9 out of 10 men who act quickly manage to overcome this disease. Risk factors and the importance of age. Although science has not yet fully uncovered why some prostate cells become cancerous, advances in medical research have identified factors that increase the risk. One of the most important is age. From the age of 50 onwards, the chances of developing prostate cancer increase considerably. In addition, a family history of prostate cancer is a significant risk factor. Men who have first-degree relatives, such as a father or brother, diagnosed with the disease, are at higher risk of developing it. Another factor to be observed is lifestyle. A diet rich in saturated fats and poor in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can contribute to the risk. Excess weight and lack of physical exercise are also associated with a higher risk of prostate cancer. What to watch for: one of the first symptoms that may appear is an increased frequency of urination, known as polyuria. Urinating 6 to 8 times a day, and at most once at night, is considered normal. However, when the prostate begins to enlarge, either benignly or malignantly, many men notice a significant increase in urinary frequency, especially at night, known as nocturia. Another common sign is urinary urgency, that sudden and uncontrollable need to go to the bathroom, which can interfere with daily life. Additionally, there may be a persistent feeling that the bladder has not been completely emptied, causing constant discomfort. Less obvious signs. Some symptoms are less obvious, such as difficulty distinguishing between rectal pressure caused by stool and pressure from an enlarged prostate. This can create a feeling of incomplete evacuation, often mistaken for digestive problems. In more advanced cases, urinary incontinence may occur, affecting both physical health and personal confidence. Another important sign is lower back pain, often when the cancer has already spread to other organs, such as the spine. This pain is persistent, intense, and does not improve with rest or painkillers. Visible changes. Among the most alarming symptoms are the presence of blood in the urine, hematuria, or semen, hemospermia. While there may be other possible causes, such as infections or kidney stones, these signs should not be ignored. Changes in the color of urine to reddish, pinkish, or brownish tones are a warning to seek medical advice. In addition, men with advanced stage prostate cancer may notice changes in sexual function, such as difficulties achieving or maintaining an erection. Although not definitive symptoms, erectile problems combined with other described signs deserve medical attention. Fatigue and weight loss. Intense fatigue and unexplained weight loss are other critical signs. These symptoms occur because the body is using a lot of energy to fight the disease, while cancer cells consume essential nutrients. This unintentional weight loss is often accompanied by a persistent sense of weakness and general malaise. What can you do? The best way to fight prostate cancer is to prevent it or detect it early. Tests such as PSA, prostate-specific antigen, combined with a digital rectal exam, are essential tools for detection. Men over 50 or from 45 with risk factors should undergo regular testing. Additionally, adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce the risk. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and maintain a regular exercise routine. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption also contributes to overall health and can aid in prevention. Conclusion: it is crucial not to ignore these signs and to seek preventive medical care. Early diagnoses significantly increase the chances of effective treatment and quality of life. Paying attention to your body, along with regular exams and healthy habits, is the safest path to avoiding complications. Share this information with friends and family because knowledge can save lives. See you next time.